Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Vivint door sensor battery. First, let's prepare. You will need to identify your specific Vivint door sensor model to know which battery type it uses, commonly a CR2032 coin cell or AAA batteries. Gather a small Phillips head screwdriver and your new batteries. Most importantly, ensure your Vivint security system is fully disarmed before you start. Next, let's access the battery. Look for a small indentation or a tiny screw on the side or bottom edge of your Vivint door sensor. Use your small Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove any securing screws. Once unscrewed, gently pry open the sensor cover. It should come off with minimal force, exposing the battery compartment inside the device. Now for the actual battery replacement. Before removing the old battery, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is positive and which is negative. Carefully remove the depleted battery from its slot. Then, insert your new battery, making absolutely sure that the positive and negative terminals align correctly with the markings inside the compartment. This is crucial for proper function. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the sensor cover and snap or screw it back into its original position, ensuring it's secure. Once reassembled, arm your Vivint security system to confirm that the door sensor is now functioning properly. You should also check your Vivint app to ensure that any previous low battery alerts for that specific sensor have successfully cleared, indicating a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.